Alright guys, so really quick announcement. Today is the day of the pre-sales for the small belts, as well as the medium belts. But the pre-sales are only online. They're not at Draws by Needles and they're not anywhere else. They're just online. So pre-sales are today. A very quick video and just a little update on Poming Fitness. So right now, in light of the pre-sales, we have small available, medium available, and the large available. And I'll have the dimensions for the small, medium, and large. But basically, I'm on the husp, like the brink of an extra small, but I am a small. I've had friends who are medium and they can fit the small. So the belt itself is very versatile. The belt is used to, I'm sorry, I'm hot. The belt is used to get rid of excess water weight in your midsection. It's out. Yes, Papa? I still finish. Almost. So the belt was created to get rid of excess water weight and also to trim your back fat. Now the belt itself works. I don't know what to say to you. It works. It has been working for me. Of course, with my dad, I've been up and down all over the place, but that does not negate the purpose of the belt. So the belt works when you work. You can't just put the belt on and expect it to bam work. But I have had experiences where I've gone to sleep with my belt on and I wrap it tight. You know what I'm saying? I don't do it flimsy. I wrap it. I give myself a nice little grip, and I wake up and my waist has gone in and my tummy is significantly flatter. Now this is just a temporary experience. This will not last for the entire day, because as you go throughout the day, you will eat, your tummy expand, you'll get bloated and all that and so forth. So the belt is especially designed for us women who bloat a lot, and us women who have trouble in our midsection, just that stubborn belly fat which is so hard to go. Now for the newer belts, well, for the small, the medium that are on pre-sales now, we had made them a little bit shorter. When we made them this time, they are longer, so they go more up your torso and further down your lower belly, and they're also longer, so they wrap around your waist a little bit more. And that's, now I'm saying this, it goes now for all the sizes, because that's how the large were made. The very first one that we made like that, so that's what the large was. The large is, that's what it's made. That's what it's longer torso to lower belly. So the small, medium, and large, you have more length and you have more width. The pre-sale will only last for, I don't know, I don't want it to last long, because I want to get the belts out here as soon as possible. So today is what date? I don't know, but if there's any change, you'll know on Poming Fitness's Instagram. So please follow Poming Fitness on Instagram. But I really want the belts to go out. I'm going to start shipping the belts on the 20th of October. Now with the pre-sales, you choose your shipping option. If you want express shipping, or if you want the flat rate shipping. The flat rate shipping is $7.85, I believe, and that's 2 to 4 weeks. Remember, we do ship from Jamaica, and with the express shipping, it is 3 to 7 days, and that is shipping from Jamaica. I recommend the express shipping because you get it quicker, you get it sooner. If you have any issues whatsoever, please email support@pomebylyric.com. Guess what? You want tea? I come in papito. Please email support@pomebylyric.com. Please do not email us on, do not send us any DMs on Instagram. We will not respond. We have the email set up for a reason. Going to DMs is so stressful, so hectic, and there's absolutely no organization that can be done whenever you DM us. So please send us an email. Yes, Papito? Yeah, come, let's go drink your tea. So send us an email at support@pomebylyric.com. Come now. I'm gonna go for your tea. Alright, so that's it for this video. So we now have the small and the medium, which are on pre-sale, and the dimensions are on the website, who can fit. And with that, we have all 3 sizes now available, basically the small, the medium, and the large. The next step we'll be moving to is extra large and extra small. Alright, guys. Put on it, suppose wrong foot. Yeah. Alright, guys, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.